into the first living space. And this leads into an open plan kitchen. There are your services. And into the garage. It's a double garage. As you can see, these countertops and cupboards have been replaced. New sink, brand new dishwasher, a new induction cook stove, and a new built-in oven. I'm going to take a look from here in the open plan kitchen into living space number 2. This leads out to a wonderfully refurbished deck. There's the new AC unit. The driveway heads down the side of the property to the garages, giving you quite a bit of space as the garden goes. This is your living room. There is the gas fireplace. This is referred bathroom number 1, which is an ensuite to the main bedroom. Very, very clean renovation. New bathroom countertops, refurbished cupboards. We're headed into a walk-in closet. Something you don't see very often is a vanity. The cupboards have been redone. As I said, this is the master bedroom. A lot of light, fairly decently lit home. I do not have any of the main lights on, so just give you an impression of how much light comes, natural light comes into this home. This would be bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 shares a bathroom with bedroom 3. This bathroom has been fully renovated. Beautiful shower. New tiles in the shower. So let's go through into bedroom number 3. Wonderfully naturally lit space. Built-in cupboard. And then back into the living room. So if you have any interest in, we're going to have this house open on Saturday from 1 until 4 p.m. Yeah, DM me, give me a call. More than willing to book an appointment for you so you can come through and take a look at this wonderful, fully renovated home. Thank you for watching.